Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting microphone and speech permission access. That lets speech utilities work with WhatsApp. Open the chat containing the voice note and make sure the message is fully downloaded. Once done, keep your phone unlocked and app active so background audio tools can access the note. If you plan to use a third-party transcription app, install it now and give it any required microphone or file permissions. This first setup ensures the rest of the process is fast and unhindered. You now choose a transcription path, native tools like live caption or voice typing, or a third-party app. To use built-in text conversion, play the note and enable live caption or start voice typing while audio plays. This captures speech directly. Alternatively, long press the voice note, tap share, then send the file to a dedicated transcription app, select language and start. Make sure to slow playback or enable noise reduction if the audio is unclear. These tweaks improve word accuracy significantly. Once you have the text, review and edit it, then copy or paste the corrected version into the WhatsApp reply. If transcription missed words, re-download the voice note and raise playback volume. Often a cleaner source fixes errors. If nothing changes, clear WhatsApp cache, restart the phone, or try a different transcription app. Sometimes codec or permission issues block conversion. One key troubleshooting tip: enable airplane mode briefly, then reconnect. This forces re-downloads and resolves many sync-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.